In this video, I'll walk you through how to copy a file in Microsoft Teams in just a few simple steps. First, click on the chat where the file you want to copy is located. The chat opens in the main view with your conversation history and any shared files visible. Hover over the file to bring up the reaction menu and file name. You'll see emoji reactions and a 3 dots button appear next to it. Click the 3 dots button on the reaction menu to open the More Options menu. Several actions appear including Copy Link, Download, and Open in SharePoint. Click Copy Link from the menu. A Copied to Clipboard notification appears at the bottom of your screen, confirming the file link has been copied. The notification disappears after a moment, and you can now paste that link anywhere in Teams to share the file. The link you've copied gives people access to view the file, so check that they're already a member of the team or channel before sharing. You can also use this method to copy links to files stored in the Files tab of any channel. Just right-click the file and choose Copy Link from that menu instead. The link points to the original file, not a duplicate, so any edits anyone makes will change the same file for everyone. And that's how to copy a file in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.